Hello everyone, my name's Barbara, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a list of file names from a folder without any VBA or macros. We're actually going to use Power Query. It's really simple but really powerful. I know you're going to enjoy it, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open Excel if you haven't already got it opened and go to the Data tab. This will show you the Get and Transform area, which is where we're going to be working. Click on Get Data from File, and then we're looking to take a list of files from a folder. So click on Folder. Now you need to navigate to the folder that you want to look at. Mine is on my desktop and it's called Excel. So I'm just going to navigate to that and open it up. And already we can see there's two files in there, Excel files, and it gives the folder path as well and some other information when it was created, modified, accessed, etc. The next thing to do is click Transform Data, and that will load that data into the Power Query editor. A really powerful interface, but we're going to do something just really simple today. So you can see that we've got many columns, so I only really want the name, and let's take the date it was created and also the folder path. Now what you can do is you can right click and remove over the columns. I tend to use this little drop down here and choose columns. Gives me a nice list of columns that I can select which ones I want to keep. So I want to keep the name, created, and folder path. So that's a nice little neat set of data that I've got. The next thing I want to do is hit Close and load this information into the Excel spreadsheet. And I want to show it as a table in the existing worksheet. Let's just pop it on the top left. And you can see that immediately I know what Excel files are in that folder, which is great. So you're probably thinking, well, what if another file, you want to monitor if another file has gone into the folder? Well, all we need to do is let's drop an extra file into the folder, Sales Region 3. So this is great if you're expecting files from people and you want to keep an eye on it and you don't want to keep navigating to the folder to have a look. What we can now do is, you can probably guess, we can go to the Queries and Connections and hit Refresh All, or you can actually just right click and hit Refresh, and there you go, the data's updated. It has gone and fetched the updated list of files from the Excel files from our folder. No code, no VBA. You can let this run and just keep refreshing it, and you will know when a new file has been dropped into your folder. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing. 90% of my viewers aren't subscribed. It really does help the channel, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified when I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, ask a question in the comment box below. I answer all the questions, and hopefully see you next time for another Excel video. Thanks for watching.